All right, everyone, so today is going to be a product review and how to use All glass wipes. Crystal clear, streak-free shine, safe on tinted glass and tech screens. Okay. Directions: wipe glass clean with All glass wipes. Feel slightly dry to the touch. Repeat until streak-free. Use additional wipes if necessary. Let surface dry, dispose of wipe in trash. Do not flush for best results. Use on cool, dry surfaces. Very hot or cold temperatures may affect performance. For use on tech screens, wipe the surface clean with All glass wipe, then buff off with a microfiber towel for optimum streak-free clean. To open package, open the lid, pull out a wipe from the center of the roll. The next sheet pops up automatically. When finished, close the lid to retain moisture. Okay. Has also things in Espanol. Of course, instructions. Keep out of reach of children. There's not really any other warnings on here. Besides skin contact, wash with soap and water, get medical attention if irritation develops. First aid, eye contact, immediately flush with eyes with water for 15 minutes, get medical attention, irritation persists. Ingestion, do not eat it. Do not induce vomiting. Rinse mouth with water, get medical attention as symptoms develop. Okay, so there we go. And as you can see, it says ammonia free, safe on auto glass, removes tough dirt, no streaks or interior haze, safe on tech screens. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and get this opened up. All right, kind of see it right here. Okay, go ahead and get that in there like so. Grab one. All right, you see that? Go ahead and close this up. All right, so this is the window we'll be working on, and as you can see, it's got some funky funk on here. I'm gonna do this on 2 windows, okay? And as you can see, it's a little dirty. So let's see if this stuff comes off. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe like so. And it is removing the smudges and whatnot pretty easy. It's pretty cool. Stuff is working pretty nicely. It's not leaving any streaks. Looks great. Not leaving any streaks whatsoever. It's pretty cool. Look at that. Looks great. Let me show you right down here. All right, so I'm going to bring you to the other side and let's try the other window. Be trying it out on this window, and as you can see, there's a lot of little bitty doggy prints on here. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe this like so. Looks like it is removing it quite a bit. Taking a little bit to get it off. But these wipes are removing it. And as you can see, compared to this area right here, coming all the way over, see that? Big difference, big difference. This is dirty, and you come over here, it's clean. So this product works pretty darn good. I like it. Easy to use. Throw it in the back of your car, be ready to go. All glass wipes, great results. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new videos just like this. Appreciate it, everybody. See you on the next video.